different trip today. We're off to Madrid for a long weekend. Sister lives out there, so we're going to meet up with her for a bit and have a look around Madrid. Currently at Manchester Airport, very loud. Let's go and get breakfast and get on that plane.
Coloque la mascarilla sobre su nariz y boca, ajústela tirando de la goma elástica y respire con normalidad.
Nearly there. Oh, bread. Where are the lights? Need a shower. Was that, is that big? 4B. Yeah, a bit wet in Spain today. But look at that for a view. They look a bit sharp, don't they? Beautiful. It was dry in England. Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, nice weather, huh?
It was drier back home, wasn't it? Scorchio. Plaza Mayor. What's it mean? Main Square? Main Square. Still raining. Sun's coming out tomorrow though. So that is Sol, the dead centre of Spain apparently. Is it a big bear or a small tree? Tree. Four-storey Primark. Man's worst nightmare. All the way to Madrid, and we found Guinness. Cheers. It has. It's pretty good, isn't it? Well, here's the balcony at night. Very good first day. Hopefully better weather tomorrow though. Plan for tomorrow's video is to go to Toledo, which is just south of Madrid. It is now 20 past 11, so I'm gonna get some sleep. Good morning from Madrid. Sun is out. Yeah, man. Oh. We're heading to Toledo today, which is just south. Really nice medieval country. Really nice medieval town. I'm gonna get up, have some breakfast, have a shower, and we're gonna go and catch a train somehow. But that'll be in the next video. So if you do want to see that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And that'll be out soon. And then tomorrow we're gonna go and climb a big mountain in Madrid. So that'll be interesting. I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you very much for watching. If you did like, please consider giving it a like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. And as always, look after yourselves.